Hello everyone, you're watching the Savera and this is Pavit Kaur. With the onset of monsoon season, the dengue cases get reported on the daily basis. But if you particularly talk about this year, the monsoon has already started and the cases have been also started reporting. So what is the current situation in Punjab, how the health sector is ready and how the preparedness is going on? We will have a discussion with Dr. Sangeeta Jain, who is the civil surgeon in Mohali. So let me get across to ma'am and let me try to understand what is the current situation in Punjab and how is being this situation being tackled. Dr. Sangeeta, first of all, I want to know that what is the current situation of dengue, or if I particularly talk about the mosquito larva problem, how it is being tackled?
The dengue season officially starts from July to October. We get maximum cases during the times, but we started our activity from April itself. We have teams which are formed and where we have breeding checkers. In Mohali, we have 85 breeding checkers at present, and they are going house to house every day where they are looking for the larva. They, if they find the larva, they guide the people keep whether how to store water, not to keep the water fresh water. Every Friday we are doing the dry day activity. We guide people, supposing that you are having coolers or there are water trays in the refrigerators, they need to be vacated and cleaned, and so that the because the life cycle of the larva is such, it gets destroyed if it is the container is dried within a week.
So, which areas, particularly if I talk about Punjab, are getting most affected? If we see last year's data also, and what is your area of concern this time? So, which areas have you identified as the hotspots?
In Mohali, we had last year also cases in Badmajra, Balongi, and Jujhar Nagar. Here we are doing intensive activity. Our Honorable Health Minister, sir, he himself he is leading the activity today itself. He was here in Badmajra. He went from house to house. Wherever we found the larva, he guided the people and even made them aware, showing them with the torch that this is the larva. You need to be aware, check it in your utensils, and this is the only way, I think, guiding the people in an intensified way so that we can protect them from the dengue. Because see, once this disease comes, people are they have high grade fever and so many complications also we have seen in the previous times. And sometimes even as a clinician I have worked, people used to say कि भी हमारे घर में कोई पानी का ग्लास पिलाने वाला नहीं बचता है ना. The whole family can be affected, we know कि dengue is not is a very bad वो. If it happens, we have, supposing there are patients who have dengue, who contract dengue, so we have full arrangement in our hospitals. Our labs are working in DH Mohali, SDH levels, and where we are testing the dengue for dengue.
So, as you said that the monsoon has already started in July, the cases will they will be notified, and people might be the cases will be reported in the coming days. So, what is the biggest challenge you think as a doctor, as a practitioner, that you face? So, is there a lack of information, or is there that people take it very lightly and they report these cases when the things are out of control?
I think lack of information is also there and callous attitude. See, you media people have also played a great role in guiding people and in showing that dengue is spreading, cases increasing. We see the headlights and not, and for many years we are seeing it. So, but the thing is, they have a careless attitude. One thinks कि I will not be affected, maybe.
Even
हाँ.
there is one thing that whenever there is onset of monsoon, whenever there are cases of fever and everything, people prefer to buy the medication over the counter. They self-medicate themselves. So, as a doctor, what message would you like to give to the people? And I also want to know that what are the symptoms which a person can differentiate that this is a dengue fever, this is not a normal fever, because people self-medicate themselves and they reach the hospitals when things are out of control, and even when doctors are unable to help it out.
देखो, in dengue fever, you know, the fever is high grade and they feel there is lot of malaise in the body. In other fevers we can move or something, but a dengue patient always comes and says कि डॉक्टर साहब उठा ही नहीं जाता, बस बिल्कुल ऐसे लगता है कि ऐसे जान ही नहीं है. This is the thing. But for I would, as a civil surgeon Mohali, I would like to guide people कि whatever fever, if it doesn't subside, okay, you can take paracetamol, which is safe even if it is dengue. 1 or 2 days they can see. If the fever doesn't subside, they should come to the nearest hospital and get themselves investigated, so that it is easier for our health department to treat them properly.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sangeeta Jain, for sharing all the information. So, this was Civil Surgeon Mohali, Dr. Sangeeta Jain, who shared the information that campaigns are being run by government, by health departments. Teams are being sent out to make people aware about the dengue, because monsoon has already started, and with monsoon's onset, the cases of dengue they also increase, and people are sometimes they medicate themselves, then sometimes they are careless. They show this kind of attitude, and for that matter of time, it becomes a concern for the health department and the government to treat all those patients in short frame of time. This is Pavit Kaur for the Savera.